Hello guys, welcome to the Python series. In today's video, we are going to talk about what are sets. So let's start with the definition of what is a set. Sets are unordered collection of unique elements or a list of elements which is unindexed. In Python, sets are usually represented with curly brackets. Here is the syntax for set and parentheses, and we'll be mentioning the list of elements inside. So I'm going to take my set as my set, and I'll be mentioning all the elements in my set. So this is going to be my elements in set, and when I print my set, so it's going to show me all the unique set of elements which are present in my particular set. So the repeated elements such as 3 or 4, or these elements are not going to be shown. The second copy of a particular element would not be shown. Only the unique set of elements will be printed in your set. So I can also use a set constructor to prepare a set from a list of elements. So I'll say my set 2 is gonna be set, and I'm gonna mention this list of elements. So this is gonna be my list. So here you can see this set constructor used to construct a set of which contains a list of a set of elements. So I can use len function to check the length of my particular set. So here you can see that my set contains 17 elements in the particular set. So I can use the dir method to return and I'll be specifying my set, and this method is used to find out the possible methods which can be used on sets. So these are the available methods which can be used on sets, and now I'll be showing you a few of the examples which can be implemented on sets. So I'll be demonstrating only a few of these methods which are available in sets. So first, let's start to how to add elements in your set. So let me take an empty. So I'm going to be using the set constructor to add in the elements in my particular set, and I'll use the dot add method which adds in a single element into your particular set. So if I want to add the number 3 into my set, now I'll print my set 3. So the element 3 will be added in your set. Dot update method is used when you want to add more than one element, a numerous number of elements into your set. Then you'll be using the dot, or a list of elements basically. If I want to add in so here the list of elements will be added into your particular set. By using the dot update method, you can add more than one element into your set. So if you want to remove an element from your set, you can use the dot remove, method, and specify the particular element, and that element would be removed from your set. And if you use a method .discard, and you don't know whether an element which is present in your set is actually present or not. So when you try to remove an element which is not exactly present in your set, let us say the number 90, and it will show an error saying that the number 90 is not present in your set. So an element which is not present in your set can't be removed using the method .remove. So in order to do that, to avoid such mistakes, you can use the method .discard. When you're not sure whether the element is actually present in your set or not, and not exactly sure whether it's there, so you can use this .discard method to avoid such kind of mistakes. And now if I try the same number with .discard method, it doesn't show you any error as such. And you can use this method also to remove an element which is already there in your particular set. Suppose I want to remove the number 4, so I can use this method. So you can use the .pop method, which removes a random element from your set. So here you can see that 1 has been removed from your particular set. I can use this symbol to find out the union of any two elements. So I'll be showing you. So my set and my set 2. So here it will show me the union of the two elements. Or we can also use the .union method and specify the other element here, and it will show you the union of all of the particular two elements, two sets. So if you want to find out the intersection of any two sets, you can use this symbol, the and my set 2. So here it will be showing you the common elements or the intersection of these two sets here. So, or you can also use the dot intersection method and specify your set 2 to find out the intersection of into a set. So I can also find out the difference between two elements. Let's say my set 2. So here it returns all the elements in my set and not the common elements in my set 2. So if I do the alternate thing, which is my set 2 minus my set, here it prints in all the elements in my set 2 and not the common elements in my set. So if I assign my set for if I assign my set 4 to be a frozen set, then and try to add an element into the set. So here it says that frozen set object has no attribute add. So here frozen set method is used to secure the elements inside this set safe and avoids from manipulation. I hope you guys understood all the concepts in this video. I'll see you again in the next video.